Parallel and perpendicular lines, communication and thinking problem, T3. Explain why 4x minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0 is not parallel to the line y equals to 2x plus 3. Now, how will you do this? It's a test problem for you. Think about it and then write down your answer. Then check my video for the suggestion. Now, in such problems, what we should do is, we should find out what the slope is, right, for both the lines. Let's do that. So let's do slope of both the lines. And do you know the condition for the lines to be parallel? Lines are parallel if they have same slope. And what is the second condition? They should have different y-intercept. So let's write down these equations in slope-intercept form. Well, y equals to 2x plus 3 is already in slope-intercept form. So let's take this line first. Y equals to 2x plus 3. Now from this equation, we know the slope of this line, let me call this line 1. Let me call this as line 1. Slope of line 1 is, let's say m1 is equals to 2 and y-intercept b is equals to 3. Correct? Now let's do for line 2. For line 2, the equation is 4x minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. Now let's write this line in terms of slope and intercept form, just as the first equation. So let's isolate y. Okay, so we can write this as minus 2y equals to minus 4x minus 6. Now we'll divide by minus 2. So we get y equals to minus 4 divided by minus 2 x minus 6 over minus 2. And that gives us 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus minus cancel. And we get this as plus 3. So we get exactly the same equation. Y equals to 2x plus 3. Now in this equation, what is the slope? Slope of line 2 is 2, right? And b is also 3. Slopes are same. That means they are parallel kind of, but they are not really parallel since y-intercept is same. So let me sketch it here to make it absolutely clear to you. It says y-intercept is 3. So let's say this is my y-intercept and slope is 2. That means rise of 2, run of 1. Let's say a line like this, correct? Let's say this is my line 1. And line 1 for me is y equals to 2x plus 3. How about line 2? It is also 2x plus 3. So that means the other line overlaps. Do you see? It is on this line. It also goes through the same point. Now, at every point they intersect. Parallel lines do not intersect, but these lines are coincidental lines. They have infinite points of intersection. So these are not parallel lines. Okay, do you understand now? The important thing here is for parallel lines that slope m1 should be equal to m2. This is first condition. And the second is b1 should not be equal to b2, right? Here b1 and b2 are also equal. This is b1 which is 3 and b2 which is also 3. So that makes them exactly same lines, not parallel lines, correct? That is why these are not parallel lines, okay?